Okay, today I'm going to show you how to remedy if you have a flat spot in your lower cup. Usually this is seen on larger sizes, and for this I'm going to use the XYH pattern, and we're going to start at the apex. And basically what you're going to do is draw a line from the apex all the way down. And now you're going to split this cup in half. Okay, so now you have two halves. You're just going to add in some paper. And I'm just going to use one piece of paper to show you how to do this. It's fairly straightforward. Okay, so now you have two halves. Well, basically what we're going to do is add in a little bit of fullness at the bottom of the cup. So in order to do that, you're going to take your French curve and you're going to go from point to point, and you're just going to add in some fullness. So say from 2, and you're going to do it on both sides. Just like that. So you've added in some fullness, and you need to make sure you add in your seam allowance. And in order to do that, I like using these see-through rulers. And then we're going to do it on both sides. Okay, and then from there, just going to want to cut off this excess paper. Okay, so now you have two halves of your cup. You've added in some extra depth to the cup, so this will eliminate the flat spot at the bottom of the cup.